because humans want to save things that they love. My job, my mission, the reason I've been put onto this planet is to save wildlife. And I thank you for coming with me. Yeah, let's get 'em.
To Wildlife Warriors. G'day and welcome to Wildlife Warriors! Today is a celebration of both wildlife and conservation, and it is thanks to Steve's stream that we're creating animals to move from all around the world. These marvels flying over your heads in schools, native to both Central and South America. These colourful characters are hard to miss both in sight and sound. There are 17 different species of macaw, and they range from the size of a small parrot all the way up to the highest bird, which can grow to be over 1 metre long. And they all have unique personalities and looks. Those feather lines on their faces, they're actually just like our fingerprints, and that means they're unmatchable to any other. However, it is because of their beauty, people are stealing them from the forest and selling them as pets. Now, make no mistake, it is all of you that can keep these beautiful birds flying free, and that is why we're always saying no to the illegal wildlife trade. And trust me folks, you don't want a pet bird who lives to be 100 years of age, but remains forever as hyperactive as a 5-year-old child. Well, as our beautiful macaws are heading home, just let's go from feathers to scales. Now, some of you may think of our next guest as friends, and others may think of them as foes. Yeah, but in the big scheme of things, we like to think that these snakes are actually just pretty misunderstood. Yeah, check out those snakes coming through the Crocodile. You'll notice they're of the non-venomous variety, and they're really comfortable around people because they've grown up right here at Australia Zoo. Yeah, exactly right. Now, wild snakes, however, if feeling threatened or cornered, the only way they can protect themselves is to bite. So it makes sense that we here, most people are bitten whilst actually trying to catch or even kill a snake. Now here in Australia, we're actually home to more venomous species than non-venomous. Pretty cool, I reckon. And today, you are all in for an extra special treat. In this tub, we have Carl. Now Carl is one of the most venomous snakes that we showcase in our Crocodile. Now to handle a snake like Carl, it does take years of training, so please do not try this yourself. We just want to show you how amazing they really are. Jessica, what are you doing? Where is Carl? Daisy, I put him in there myself. I have no idea how it could have got down. There is a hole. Oh my goodness, you need to wash your feet because it could be anywhere. Hey guys, check out what I found out the back. Sarah, gorgeous. What are you doing? Surely you're better than to be handling a wild snake. Oh, don't you worry, Daisy. It's a very cute, non-venomous snake. You have Carl. He's the most venomous snake in the whole Crocodile. Carl, put him in the bucket. Carl. The Carl? Yeah.
Oh dear. Okay, I'm going to put him in the bucket. He bit me! He bit me! Oh dear, I'm going down.
I'm thinking possibly very dramatic, but everyone do keep calm. The first aid for an Australian snake bite is actually really simple and effective. Now just by following these next few instructions, you yourself can one day help save somebody's life. Now first thing to remember, if you are ever bitten by a snake, is to keep calm. Do not move. And most importantly, do not panic. That venom will circulate through your body. Alright, Jess. Fabulous. Come on, Sarah. Ooh, a little heavy today. Jess. Okay. That is definitely not what I meant. Obviously here at Australia Zoo, we do love our snakes, but I do think it's time we maybe get a little bit more serious. Now if you are sat over here, you can follow what I'm up to for a better view. Now what I have here is a compression bandage. If you don't have one handy, any piece of clothing or even a belt will do the trick. Now what we're going to do is wrap that bite size 3 to 4 times, ensuring we cover the entire limb. Now let's not wrap it too tight, we cut off circulation. Say just enough pressure you would use on a sprained ankle or a wrist. Then once your patient is all bandaged up, that's when we call an ambulance. Make sure they stay still until it arrives, and always let that help come straight to you.
Daisy, Sarah, we should have had a close look at Carl because he's actually just a rubber snake. Yeah, you're going to be just fine. Let's get you out of here because Crystal's going to take us to the wetlands. Our Australian wetlands are home to a large diversity of birds. Now, some will wade through the shallows in search of their prey, and I would love to introduce Douglas, our jabiru, commonly known as a black-necked stork. Now that there was a small g'day in jabiru, who will use those long, beautiful wings in chattering of his beak to communicate, as he does not have a voice box, just like we do. Now check him out as he makes his way through the water. He'll use his long, beautiful legs and stealth-like precision to hunt for his prey. Now once he does find something, he'll use his beak to stab out and grab it. Now he can take down anything from fish, crustaceans, eels, and sometimes baby crocodiles. Now your jabberus, they're quite the romantic bird and they will mate for life. They've been seen building impressive nests up to really tall trees. Now you can tell the males and females apart just by looking at them. You notice here that our jabberoo has black eyes. That means he's a boy. Now while some birds they like to walk across the top of the water, there are some that like to dive beneath it. Now that's exactly how our cormorants will catch their aquatic meals. Now Albert, he's the larger of the two. Now he's what's known as a greater cormorant. Whereas Scuba, the smaller of the two, she has that beautiful two-toned coloration. Now she's what's known as a little pied cormorant. Now as you can see, they're both perfectly designed for life in the water, as they do lack that water-resistant coating on their feathers that many other birds do have. Now whilst this is great for life under the water, a bird, well, they just cannot take to the skies with wet feathers. Now that's why you see our cormorants lining the riverbanks throughout Australia with their wings outstretched, just as if they're hanging themselves out to dry. Now both our cormorants and our jabberoos, they do rely heavily on our waterways for their survival. Now that's why it's so important that we play our part to keep our waterways clean and clear of rubbish, ensuring future generations to come. Now you are a very lucky audience today, as we're about to introduce the most interactive bird we have right here into the Crocosine. I'm sure they're very excited. I'd love to introduce Cassidy. Take it away.
Thanks, Crystal. G'day everyone, this is my mate Tallow, and she's a beautiful yellow-tailed black cockatoo. Now not only has Tallow here been trained to fly from point to point, but she's also been trained to fly from person to person. And to demonstrate this today, I'm going to need the help from an adult volunteer in our audience. So, who here would love to meet Tallow face to face? Oh, come on guys, I said who wants to meet her? It has to be an adult. Oh, that's better. The person that had the 2 hands up, hat on, glasses, perfect. Can you stand up for me? What I need you to do is reach into your wallet and pull me out a $5 note. Now I can hear a few of you laughing, but we do need this note. As Tallow, she doesn't know this person, and she could find it a little uncomfortable flying to a complete stranger. So it's for this reason we've trained her to fly to a common, everyday object, which just so happens to be your note. How'd you go? Does anyone have one that could be lent to you? Now, as I said before, this does act as a little beacon for Tallow to be able to find you. Thank you very much, sir. Now what I'll get you to do is fold that note in half for me. Then in half again, just like a little rectangle. Now place it nice and loosely between 2 fingers and hold it straight out to the side. Now Tallow should see this note and know exactly where not to fly to. So that's Tallow telling me she's taking an early smoko today. But thank you very much for being my volunteer. That's Tallow, my very cheeky yellow-tailed black cockatoo.
Oh, Tallow, you are so cheeky. But now it's time to meet some of Tallow's best mates.
Check out some of our gorgeous native parrots. Our black cockatoos and nature mitchels are actually pretty social in the wild and have a very distinct call. So keep your eyes and your ears open as you may just be lucky enough to see one of these birds flying around Australia.
But now I would love to introduce the speed demons of the bird world, our rainbow festival market! Go, go, go!
It's a bit close.
Now, they have to be fast to stand a chance in the wild, and the time for the favourite feature of the fastest animal on the planet, the peregrine falcon. Now, all of our Australian natives, they do rely heavily on the bush for food and for shelter. So please remember, no bush, no birds.
Worldwide habitat destruction. That is still the #1 threat facing the survival of our native wildlife.
So let's make a difference today. Whoever you are, wherever you live, grow native plants in your backyard and sooner or later you will have amazing wildlife living in your place.
Well, please, put your hands together for Chris